I heard the beep. I know it's on too. They're just looking at my beard. Look at this beard. Look at it! Bastards, look. Hello again, everybody. It's BLG. I told you there'd be another video. I'm shooting for a double out of the same camera and the same load. This ought to be good. Today's exciting episode is going to be a little bit of magic, and we're going to make a very simple and easy beer bread. Just a simple little beer bread. It goes good with stews, soup, chili, barbecue, just butter by itself. You can make really good kick-ass like ham and cheese sandwich, stuff like that out of it. And it's really good stuff, and it's very easy. Let's get started. I'm going to point you down here. I'm going to do a little bit of magic here. It's going to be really badass. I'm going to set you back like this. Now watch. You see nothing. Ready? Ready? Look at that. And sugar appears. Huh? Ready for the next trick? And a beer appears out of nowhere. You ready for the next one? Self-rising flour and self-rising flour. That's right there. It's real too. Look, I can touch all of these objects that have appeared before your very eyes. It's amazing. Shortening. Bluey. Look at that. They're shortening, and it's real. Ta-da! No strings. Look, no strings attached. And well, no trick here. Just gonna need a baking pan. So let's do this real easy here. This just takes no time at all, folks. And the shortening is only for the baking pan. I just thought I would play around. I'm going to fold this here down first, just because I don't feel like getting scissors out. Just kind of fold this down to where it kind of fit in the bottom of the baking sheet, the baking pan. I don't usually do this, but I already had this out from the last episode, so I don't really care. I'm going to make it a little thinner, like this. I just want it so it can drop in here, or I'll get pissed off and throw it away. One or two. Here we go. Look at that. Okay. But first, let's see if we do have a towel, paper towel in here. About time to, we're going to grease up our tin. I've showed you this before on the baking bread episode, I do believe. About the same effect. We're going to grease this bad boy up. Just like so. That'll work. See? Nice. Or see, whatever you're looking at. Make some noise. I'm going to put this over here. Now I'm going to rinse my fingers because they're all slimy. Find my towel. Like this. I need a bowl. That'll work. Look at that. Just happen to have a bowl. A bowl. Alright, we'll pop this down in here. Just to get it down in here out of the way. Now, what we do, very simple. This is so easy, folks. We're going to start with our can of beer. This is room temperature. It's been sitting out for 2 days? I think 2 days. But anyway, room temperature. Beerage, any kind you want. Don't matter. And even if you don't drink, you can eat this and it doesn't do anything because the cooking cooks out the alcohol. Just leaves the flavor. There we go. It looks like I peed in the bowl. Look at that. Whoa, you're here, aren't you? Yeah, you're still here. In fact, it could be right there. Okay. Now we got that. We're going to take and put. Now the sugar's up to you also. You want some, but I'll usually go with about, for the one loaf. This is 1 can of beer. It should make like 1 loaf. I usually go with about 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I like mine a little bit on the sweet side. You don't like BLG. Oh, look at that foam. Yes. Okay. You know what? That's just all that is. I'm just going to do this. You saw nothing. Yeah, probably actually didn't. Put this in here. Now, that gets out of the way. We're going to add self-rising flour. See? Self-rising flour here. I guess I could have opened it first. Yes. Open, you bastard. Stewie's freaking out over here. Look at him. Look at him freaking out.
Doing his death rolls for some reason.
Get her death rolls. Stew man freaking out on the floor. Look at him go. Isn't that cute? Freak out, Stewie. What do you do in case of a fire? yeah, drop and roll. Yeah. Zoom out, eh? Okay, back to what we were doing. I get distracted easy. Stewie's cute. And so is the dingo. He's looking out the window. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to not measure really. We're just going to put some self-rising flour in here. And I'm going to get a spatula thingy. You know what? I'm going to get a whisk. Oh yeah. I'm going to get one of these. And I'm just going to whisk this around, bust it all up. And what we're looking for is basically pancake batter. This is not a dough. This is a batter baked bread. So we're going to make a pancake batter thickness. Or like a corn dog dip thickness. Just like this. I'm going to stir it around. La-dee-doo-dee-doo. And we can tell this is definitely not thick enough yet. So I'm just going to dump some more. We're eyeballing it. If you get it too thick, you can always put just a splash of water instead of more beer. Unless you're already sipping on one. If you already got it sipping on a tall, cool one, go ahead and splash a little bit in there. A little spit doesn't hurt nobody. A little bit of backwash action in your beer bread. Mixing this around. Mixing this around. More flour. More. I used to make this stuff all the time. And to tell you the truth, this is probably the first time I've made this in 4 years, I think. Used to take it to the cookouts at Big D's house. And I'd take like 4 loaves and it'd be gone before I could get a piece. And then I taught Big D how to make it. I taught him how to make it. I've taught Jungle how to make it. I taught Barb at the Hole in the Wall Saloon over in Pekin how to make it. She calls me the beer bread man. Now, and she'd be like, I saw your brother Jungle in here the other day. I'm like, good, good. Now you're seeing me. There we go. Now we're starting to get thick. Well, not thick. You know what I mean. I wouldn't drown the corn dog in it yet. I have made beer batter like this for beer bread, and I have dipped hot dogs in it and made beer batter dogs. Not bad, not bad. Certainly not a corn dog, but not bad. I made this for onion ring batter. I suppose you kind of like beer batter. You could dip fish in it and deep fry them. I suppose. Same effect. Except you're just using self-rising flour instead of just flour. Here we are. Yeah, mixed up here. Get mixed up, man. Like BLG. Oh, he's mixed up. I'm shooting for the great recovery. Redemption again, folks. For this damn thing screwing over 2 episodes. Yesterday was 7 full videos that I was fixing to splice together into a lovely 20-minute stream of greatness for you. And it said, fuck you. Fuck you, BLG. You can just go fuck yourself. Here we go. This is about right. See, it's just kind of a batter. It's nothing spectacular. It's just kind of a fluffy batter. I think I'm going to maybe leave it at that. No. You know what? I'm going to put just a touch. This is where you usually botch. It's actually kind of hard to botch with self-rising flour, folks. Here we go. We're going to toss this in the bowl now. Well, the pan. This thing. We're going to pour it out in the pan. Right in here. Get in the pan. This is where I wanted my little squeegee thing. Hey, it's me, Squeegee. No, that's Luigi. Never mind. That was a good one. I'm getting the squeegee thing. I'm not taking shit off of this food today. God damn it. Today, BLG wins. I can feel it in my buns. My ass is just telling me, BLG, you're going to get both videos successfully today. And they're not even going to fight or argue with you. And I'm like, fuck yeah, you know it. My ass don't lie. It gets bigger, but it don't lie. Get it? Pinocchio joke right there, folks. Yes, I know. There we go. See? That's good enough. I'll wash that out. We got this right, y'all. Pat him down like so. The air bubbles out of him. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Right, y'all. Look. See that? This is going in the oven. 425 degrees to start. Now, I usually do that for the first 20 minutes. And then, after 20 minutes, we're going to kick the oven down to 375. And then we're going to start basting it. Because it'll kind of have a crust forming. And we'll start basting it with melted butter. And we're just going to let it go at the 375 after the first 20 minutes at 425. And we're just going to let it go until the toothpick test or the clean knife, butter knife, comes out clean. And then you pull it out and it's done. You let it cool off for just a minute, dump it out on a rack, let it cool off, and then you can cut it up. So I'll see you guys back here basically when this is done. Like I said, 425 for the first 20 minutes. Baste with butter, optional if you want. You don't have to, because you're going to put butter on it anyway. In fact, I may not baste this one. I'm not sure. I might. I probably will. I usually do. But yeah, then after that, the 20 minutes at 425, basting with the melted butter at 375 until the toothpick or knife test is complete. I'll see you guys back here when this comes out of the oven and BLG puts it on that rack behind us. See ya. Yeah, we'll be like right back, folks. I gotta bake. Yes. Come in. Well, folks, we're back. Are we going? We are. Look at that. There's everybody sitting out in the living room watching paranormally stuff. Look at that. Flashes in their stuff. It looks like a lightning storm. That looks cool. Anyways, we're back. The beer bread is done. And we're going to, here it is sitting on the stove. There, see? Take a look at that. Beer bread on the stove. Now we're going to take it out and we're going to set it next to this here pie. This pie. You know what? I'm going to do it magically again. Okay? This is going to it's going to appear. Keep your eye right here. Right next to the pie we just got done making. Keep your eye right there. We're going to do magic. Ta-da! And there you have it, folks. Magic. It appeared out of nowhere. So now we have beer bread. I did the pokey test. It's nicely done. See how buttery? I basted. I ended up basting it. Yes, yes, yes. Good stuff. Good stuff. And we have the Dutch apple pie. Yes. So that's going to conclude another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. 2 in one day, folks. If I can pull this one off without losing them all. So I hope you liked the episode. Make you some beer bread and a thing of chili or a thing of stew. I'll tell you what, you're going to feast good. Yes, and then you can have pie for dessert with chocolate milk and ice cream. Ice cream with pie and a chocolate milkshake. I'll up that one. Anyways, hope you liked the episode. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment anytime. I take a look at them every now and then if I can get them. And ring the little bell up there at the top corner. Click on that for me too. That way you'll know when you're making a next exciting episode coming up. So, for BLG, I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I'm Righty. We'll see you guys back here, the next exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. See you guys. Bye.